Hi guys, we are here today inside the car wash. This is automatic car wash. You can see my car is on 0 mile per hour. It is on neutral. This car wash is okay. It is started now. Car wash is Clean Express Auto Wash. They just open and they are offering a free car wash. So we are at the moment for that. You can see those are the brushes. It is cleaning up the car. This is the fountain. You can see it's so much noisy you cannot hear properly. But this is how it works. It cleans the sideways, the top ways. Here it is cleaning the sideways as well. They are offering pretty good deal, I can say. This car wash is free car wash plus $40 per month. First month is only $1 unlimited time. They have two different schemes. That's it. That was the car wash for free of cost. They just opened this month, and for a whole month they are giving us a free car wash. And I guess that's it. That is it. Now we are exiting. To be very precise, otherwise we're gonna hit these barriers. Here they have free vacuums as well, so we can use that as well if we want. And which we're gonna do, we're gonna use this because they are offering the free vacuum services, so why not use it? And we can then after you can comment it out on their website or in their their location about how the services they are providing. Okay, my car is on right now. It's so much noisy you cannot hear me, but you can see the car is completely washed out, clean, neat and clean. I'm satisfied with it. Perfectly washed from on top as well as at the bottom as well. There was the tires as well. That's good. I am satisfied. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more interesting videos of United States technology, societies as well as this kind of businesses. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.